Hello and welcome to the how-to video for setting up IMAP and bulk mail within our HRSi product. So as I said, today we're going to help us set up our bulk mailing capacity. And first of all, what we need to do in order to access that is create an account with one of our partners. And one of our partners is called Mandrill, and they are part of the MailChimp group, who are extremely experienced in sending bulk mail and supporting the presentation of documentation and detail on a mass stage without putting our own email address and server under the risk of blacklisting. So what we've done today is I've set up myself an SMTP account with Mandrill. Very simply go to mandrillapp.com, create yourself your login, and then via going to the settings and SMTP and API credentials, it allows you to get the information available to then go and put into the recruitment force environment within your managed consultant area. So to access this area, as you can see, I went to admin, managed consultants, and then selected the individual who I want to create and who I want to manage, which is myself. So as you can see here, I've got all of my IMAP details that are already available from my email provider. So I've got my email address, all the auth areas that I need for my SMTP settings, but also my IMAP settings. But what we're going to do is we're going to fill in all this information to ensure that it's creating the right level of detail for us. So I have all my bulk setting actions, and I'm going to go and grab them from Mandrill here. So I'm going to copy our host environment, which is the bulk server address. Then I'm simply going to go and place in my email address, which is how our emails are going to be presented. And also that email address is my username and password as well. So from here, the API that's created via Mandrill also is equal to your password for bulk settings. So I'm going to go and place that information in here. What I then need to do is go and type my password into my IMAP details here, because due to security it just enables us to have another layer to stop any details and any information going awry. Should I also want here, I can limit the number of files. So if you want to control the level of access that a junior consultant may have, you can say that they can only do up to 50 at a time, so they're not mass marketing your entire database. However, I'm going to leave that open. Then simply clicking save here is going to create that information. As you can see, details successfully updated and enabled there. So what I can now do is go back to my people list, and from here I can simply go and run a search. And I'm going to go and run a nice simple search for anybody with sales in their job title. And as you can see, that's brought back 66 records. Very simple, very easy for me to do that. All I then need to do is select the individuals that I would want to present to, open up my people list, and then send bulk email. Each of these individuals is receiving a personalized, but also an independent email to their own inbox. So I can go and put sales job. I could reference a job within my system, and then the template that I actually want to create as well. So I'm going to do a congratulations on filling the job, or alternatively, this job has been cancelled. Anything that I would want to present, anything that I would want to simply put forward. Do want to add a BCC, do want to add any other signatures, any other details, very simply, then I click send. So clicking this send action will then present all of these individuals, their information. It will then send through all of that detail, and via Mandrill I'll also be able to get a read and open report. So clicking send will then present that information, and away it goes. I'm going to close that off. So very simply, that would also then track into the candidate records, enabling full visibility of anybody who is working alongside the system. I've got a full tracking of everything that's going on. Everybody within that list has received a personalized email presented to themselves, but more importantly, it's all gone via a full tracking environment that isn't going to put my own server or my own email address at risk of being a spammer. So hopefully this will help you set your bulk emails up, and if there are any questions, please call our support team 0203 475 5775. Thank you very much.